Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we learn fish drawing. At first, we tried to draw a curve. This is the body part of fish. Next we draw a line middle to it. And draw some fish fins. And we draw fish tail. Fish are underwater animals that live in water. They breathe using gills, not lungs. We draw it very carefully. Fish have fins that help them swim. Many different kinds of fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Our drawing is completed. Now, it's time to coloring. Blue color. Fish can be big or small, like whales or clownfish. Some fish are colorful and have scales. Fish eat small plants and animals or other fish. Fish lay eggs in the water. Fish can be found in warm and cold water. Fish are important for our food and the ecosystem. Some fish, like sharks, have teeth. Fish can swim very fast. A school of fish is a group of fish swimming together. Some fish are poisonous and should not be eaten. Yellow color. Humans have caught and eaten fish for thousands of years. Fish are an important part of the ocean and the food chain. Many fish have special senses like taste and smell. Fish can live for many years, some even hundreds. There are many different species of fish in the world. Fish are fascinating animals that live in many different environments. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.